Hello students, so welcome back on my YouTube channel Math Mentor. Now we'll study the next function, that is y is equal to cos x, and their graph of the function that is y is equal to cos x. So second, let us see the function y is equal to cos x in the equation form. So we can find the values of y to the corresponding different values of x. So these are the different values of x. So in the first row, the values of x, that is 0 to 3 pi right side, and here minus 3 pi to the left side. So second is y is equal to cos x in the second row. So we must know the value, that is cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1 and cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Sin 0 0 but cos 0 is 1, sin pi by 2 is 1 but cos pi by 2 is what? 0. And one more formula, that is a negative angle for the cos of minus theta is cos theta. It means cos pi by 2 and cos minus pi by 2 are same. Cos 3 pi by 2 and cos of minus 3 pi by 2 is same. Cos 2 pi and cos minus 2 pi is same. Cos of minus 2 pi is same. So cos 0 is 1, here is 1. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos pi is minus 1. So टेबल की कुछ वैल्यू आपको रिमेंबर अंडरस्टैंड होना चाहिए, वो आपको याद आना चाहिए. cos 0 1 होता है, cos pi minus 1 होता है. Now we can find cos 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 which is equal to cos pi plus pi by 2. Pi plus pi by 2. So in the third quadrant means pi plus theta, that is 180 plus theta in the third quadrant, cos becomes negative, that is minus cos pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is 0, here is again 0, minus 0, that is a 0. Cos 2 pi, cos of pi plus pi. Cos of pi plus pi is minus cos pi. Minus cos pi is minus of minus 1, it is plus 1, this is plus 1. Cos of 5 pi by 2. Cos of 5 pi by 2 is cos 2 pi plus pi by 2. In first quadrant, cos of 2 pi plus theta means first quadrant cos is positive, cos pi by 2 again 0. Now cos 3 pi. Cos 3 pi. We can write 2 pi plus pi. 3 pi, so it is a minus 1. Exactly same in the reverse. Cos pi by 2 is 0, cos of minus pi by 2 is 0. Cos pi is minus 1, cos of minus pi is minus 1. Cos of 3 pi by 2 0, cos of minus 3 pi by 2 is 0. Cos 2 pi is 1, cos of minus 2 pi is plus 1. So this is plus 1. Cos of 5 pi by 2 is 0, cos of minus 5 pi by 2 is 0, and last is minus 1. So this is the values of y to the corresponding different values of x. So we know that this x is a domain of the function and y is a range of the function. So in y, the highest value, maximum value is plus 1 and the minimum value is what? Minus 1. So these two values are important to draw a graph of function y is equal to cos x. This vertical line is a y-axis. This horizontal line is x-axis. The intersection point is origin. This is plus 1. This is minus 1. Positive y-axis. Negative y-axis. Here negative x-axis. Here positive x-axis. Okay. सो ग्राफ के लिए ये कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो यहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे प्लस पाई बाय 2 प्लस पाई प्लस 3 पाई बाय 2 प्लस 2 पाई प्लस 5 पाई बाय 2 प्लस 3 पाई. Exactly same in the negative x-axis, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi, minus 5 pi by 2, and here is minus 3 pi. Okay, now it is very easy to plot a graph. So this is the x-axis, that is we call the domain of the function. This is y-axis, that is the range of the function. So यहाँ से start करेंगे. Cos of minus 3 pi is minus 1. So this is minus 1. Now cos of minus 5 by 2 is 0. This is plus 1. Cos of minus 3 pi by 2 is 0. This is minus 1. Here minus 1. Here again 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos of pi by 2 is 0. Cos pi is minus 1. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. Cos 2 pi is 1. Cos 5 pi by 2 is minus 1. Cos 3 pi. Cos pi is minus 1. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. Cos 2 pi is 1. Here is 0. Cos 5 pi by 2 is 0. And cos of 3 pi is minus 1. Just we have to connect these points. You will get the curve of the, यहाँ से हम connect करेंगे. So this become the curve of cos x. Very simple and interesting to draw the curve of trigonometric function. And by using this graph, we can remember the domain and range of the trigonometric function forever. Because the geometrical interpretation is very easy to understand, and it has a life. It is a forever. It becomes a forever knowledge. So by using the observation of this graph does not passing through the origin. This graph is a continuous graph. This curve is a continuous curve, and सबसे important here. This curve is repeated within the interval 2 pi. So देखो 0 to 2 pi, यहाँ से again same ही graph आएगा. So these 3 points are very important to remember. That is, curve is continuous. Curve is continuous. Second point, curve is passing through. Does not passing through. This cos x curve does not passing through. Does not passing through origin. Origin से ये पास नहीं होता. And सबसे important, the third, curve is repeated. Curve is repeated with an interval 2 pi. And important, the domain and range. Domain of the function y is equal to cos x is r, because I already told you that if we are talking about trigonometric function sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x and cosec x, these values of x are the real numbers. These values are angles. X is always angle measured in radian. So this is a real number for the trigonometric function. So domain is r. Range is close interval -1 to +1. -1 to +1. So this is a graph of trigonometric function y is equal to cos x. Very simple. It is very easy to understand, and it is a forever to remember. Okay. So this is a y is equal to cos x. So stay tuned on the YouTube channel Math Mentor. We'll see the next trigonometric function y is equal to tan x. Okay, thank you.